Alright friends, straight into the action. Today we continue the previous session where, as you remember, we are boosted the account from $10 to $800. As you can see, we have $817 now. And today I'll trade on 1 minute and 5 seconds time frames using Impulse Sniper. Let me remind you, we use two indicators, Bollinger Bands and EMA. Let me remind you settings, Bollinger Band 10 and 2, and here EMA and 5. Okay, let's go. Starting with $100 to warm up. 5 seconds. No, I think we better start with 1 minute chart. Let's search for the entry point. Here is the good. Okay, I will start through $200, 1 minute trade. I will trade immediately, earn immediately. 1 minute and 5 seconds. This is my strategy for today's session. Scalping, only scalping today. You know, on my Telegram channel, daily session, daily trading session. If you miss videos, go there. Also have private trading community, a closed VIP channel. All the links in the pinned comment. First win, 96. And second one, the big one. Okay, we already passed 1,000. Let's do it. Oh guys, you know, it's a great news for you. I'll just open 1 minute 100. Okay, another 100. Well, the market not give me a chance to give you this news. It's so good. It's another profit. Whoa. Okay, guys. Wait. I will tell you about this news now. Another profit. Yeah. Yo. It's a good feeling. And let's wait for this 100. Well, news. It's a Black Friday, you know? Of course, on Black Friday, we do have some good discounts and good bonuses. Let me explain you this mega bonus from Pocket Option in the end of this video. But spoiler, you can make 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit. 100%. X2, guys, X2. 200 from 100, 2,000 from 1,000. Can you imagine this? I will give you promo code in the end. Let me focus on session now. Okay. Let's pick more pairs. And let's pick the best one with best entry point. 1,391. We already 500 and plus. 590 almost. Well, let's just smoothly find entry point. 205 seconds plus. Let's switch to 1 minute and 300. I will open it here. I think it's a good one. 5 seconds. Now let's do another one for 300 here on this entry point with 1 minute and wait. As I decided to make these sessions shorter, more dynamic, because you like this emotion, you like these dynamic sessions. I'm also respecting your time, and of course I will try to do my content. I will try just give you the best highlights of my session and give you live sessions daily on my Telegram and here on YouTube as special sessions 2 times a week. Boom! 2,000 from 800. How does it feel? I'm feeling good. And I'm feeling good. Well, let's see. 5 seconds scalping. Okay, with 200, let's open. Let's open here. Boom, printing money. Let's see. Nah, we're too late with this entry point. Well, here is okay for 1 minute, $300 trade. It's excellent. Okay, 5 seconds. Now, martingale, 600. Now, oh, it's such a bad feeling now. 2 trades in minus. This, yes, he has very important one for 600. And this one, final one. Don't go there. Yes, go down, go down. Orange is my favorite color now. Yes, without hot. It was hot. We have 2,200. I think we can finish for today. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you will watch next episode, guys. From $10 to big dream. Let me do this for you. Continue in the next session, but as I promised, how you can have 100% bonus to your first deposit, guys. So just add this promo code BLACK5, 5 with the number, and you will have it 100% BLACK5. Get 100% bonus to your deposit, guys. It's awesome. It's Black Friday, Christmas soon, and now you already have this great mood. Me, I do, because I just double up my deposit from $10. Oh, actually, like it's up, almost triple up. What? It's great session. See you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay successful. Enjoy your life, enjoy yourself, and see you soon. Put the like, comments, and come to my Telegram. See you there. Peace.